Just 2 seconds on here. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Luis here. We've had a couple requests for the loop back harnesses for the Silverados, some Hondas, and some Toyotas. So I just wanted to make a quick video on how it works. I got this amplifier here as an example. Ignore the battery in and the battery out, the negative. Our harnesses, this harness is specifically is going to be for an LC7i. I just happen to have this audio control ACM 4.300 laying around, so I'm going to show you guys how it would work in theory. So the harness basically for the LC7i is going to provide you with 12 volt, 10 amps power and ground, and then you're going to have your speaker level output from your head unit. This is for a 2018 Silverado with an 8-inch screen. So this is a 20-foot harness. The harness is going to come around, it's going to loop through, and then it's going to split off here at the joint. And then from the joint, it's going to come out. This one here that has the black shrink tube on it is going to be radio output to speaker level input for your amplifier, high level. Then the amplifier will obviously turn it into a low level, do its thing, and then it's going to give you, in this case, you're going to get, I believe this amp does 75 at 4 ohm per 4 channel. So you're going to get that power back out. It's going to go into the second harness. It's going to go back in. It's going to mix into the main harness, and then it's going to come back out, and it's going to go out into the this plug here, which is where your OEM plug would plug in, that then goes to your speakers in your vehicle. So that's kind of how these ones work. These are we refer to these as a loop harness. It basically signal out and then amplified signal back into your system. Remember, if you guys have any questions, you guys want us to make you one of these harnesses, reach out to us at 602-320-7004, or you can go to our website, LLJcustoms.com, and send us an email. All right, guys, hope you have a good day. Enjoy your weekend.